Hello everyone, I'm Eric. Today, I want to share with you a common vegetable cooking method in nutrition science, a little trick that makes the vegetables we eat daily more delicious and maximizes their nutritional value. We all know that stir-frying in hot oil and cold mixing are common ways to cook vegetables. These methods have their pros and cons. The former brings a rich flavor but can cause some loss of nutrients, especially the essential vitamins in vegetables. The latter retains the original nutrients of the vegetables but might not facilitate the absorption of other nutrients due to certain components present in some vegetables, such as the oxalic acid in spinach, which can affect the absorption of calcium. So today, I'm going to introduce a method that not only preserves the nutrition of vegetables but also makes them more delicious: the correct technique of boiling vegetables. The method is quite simple. Add an appropriate amount of water to a pot, along with a spoonful of table salt and a spoonful of vegetable oil. After the water boils, add the vegetables and wait about 20 seconds to 1 minute, depending on the type and amount of vegetables you are cooking. Leafy greens need less time, while root vegetables need a bit more. Then, you can scoop out the vegetables and plate them. This quick boiling method helps the vegetables retain their bright color when cooked. Salt ensures a basic flavor, and adding vegetable oil promotes the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, which is especially important for vitamins A and K in vegetables. Additionally, this cooking method has another benefit: it greatly reduces the content of oxalic acid in vegetables, which is very beneficial for promoting the absorption of minerals such as calcium. This is not only a nutritional consideration but also relates to our health. And the best part is, after your vegetables are boiled, you can still season them according to your own taste. Whether it's adding a bit of your favorite oil and vinegar dressing or pairing with other foods for a quick stir-fry, you can make your dish full of color, fragrance, and flavor. This trick is not only simple and easy to follow but also makes our cooking healthier. Nutrition and health are our top priorities when considering our family. I hope you will try this method. Let's create more healthy and delicious dishes in the kitchen together. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and follow for more nutrition and health tips. See you next time.